welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy conditions across the region currently, seeing some warm temperatures as well. Seeing temperatures in the mid-70s. Did have a thunderstorm move through the area early this morning that has moved off the coast, and taking a look at the current radar imagery, you can see do have some showers off to our north and east, continue to move off the coast, looking like we're going to see in general dry conditions through early afternoon, as we'll have a lull in the convection across the area. Cannot rule out a shower thunderstorm popping up from now through early afternoon, with continuing chances around 20%. Then once we move into late afternoon hours, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms develop off to the west here and move through the region for the late afternoon to the evening hours today. As far as our winds go today, we'll see some slightly breezy winds out of the southwest to west-southwest, possibly gusting as high as 23 to 24 knots, so we can't rule out a wind advisory as well. Looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,200 feet, winds out of the southwest throughout the column this morning, around 20 knots in the low levels, and then increasing up to around 50 knots at 25,000 feet, Taking a look at our current surface analysis, do have a stationary boundary that moved through earlier this morning as a weak warm front. That's giving us those showers and thunderstorms. We'll have a cold front moving through for later today. It's currently across the Ohio Valley, giving us an additional chance of showers and thunderstorms. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some cloud cover across the region, mainly in the mid-levels. It's going to move off the coast, and we'll see a brief period of some filtered sunshine for later this morning in the afternoon hours. That's going to fuel a little bit of instability across the region and giving us those showers and thunderstorm chances for late afternoon and the evening hours today. Taking a look at the HRRR model, we'll see those clouds moving through and they're breaking the clouds most likely during the mid-afternoon to early afternoon hours. It's going to give us temperatures in the mid-80s today, so a warm day across the region, as well as fairly humid, so it will feel much like summer today. And moving into that 5 to 6 o'clock time period, or 17 to 1800 local time period for this afternoon into the evening hours. Going to see the showers and thunderstorms starting to pop off to our west and move through the region. Looks like the best time period between about 6 to 10 p.m. This evening, where the showers and thunderstorms moving through the region. Some of those could be strong, as we'll have a decent amount of instability building for this afternoon, as well as some weak shear. So can't rule out a storm getting a strong briefly across the region with some gusty winds. Then move into our evening hours, see those showers and thunderstorms moving off the coast for the late evening hours. And then overnight, can't rule out a lingering shower thunderstorm just off the coast, but overall should see that activity move off the coast for overnight. And then Wednesday, going to see a fairly warm day across the region, and we are getting into the time period of the year where we have pop-up showers and thunderstorms pretty much daily across the peninsula, and looking like that's going to be the case near Ocean City tomorrow, with a possibility of a shower or thunderstorm popping up across that area for tomorrow afternoon. Now looking at the European model the next few days here, you can see the showers and thunderstorms possible for later this afternoon to the evening hours, and then moving into our Wednesday, looking like in general good conditions, continuing to Thursday, and that's going to set up a Bermuda high off our coast. It's going to give us some warm weather across the region with humid conditions for Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday, continuing into the first part of Saturday, as it appears now, with a area of low pressure trying to advance towards the region for our Saturday, associated with an upper level disturbance. But looks like right now our best chance of rainfall will come late Saturday, with continued hot and humid conditions for Friday, Saturday. And then on Sunday, looks like we'll have a bit of a reprieve from the heat as the area high pressure builds in from New England, giving us some slightly cooler conditions with continued chances of showers and thunderstorms for Sunday and then into Monday as well, as this disturbance finally moves to the region, looks like on Monday. But overall, for the long range, looks like some active weather with shower and thunderstorm wise for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, with the possibility of rainfall each of those days. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have an elevated risk of our shower and thunderstorm activity for the 1600 through 20 local time period, with bookend chances of some slight chance of thunderstorms for 1200 to 1600, as well as moving through into the early overnight hours. High today around 84 degrees, low tonight of 69, west-southwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots, gets to 23 knots, and then dying down during the evening hours out of the southwest around 5 to 10 knots, and winds will become light and variable overnight. So a very slight chance of seeing some patchy fog, as well as we do see some rainfall across the region for the evening hours. Let's move into our terminal forecast. We'll see in general ceilings above 3,000 feet today. So VFR conditions expected unless we do have that shower or thunderstorm overhead during the afternoon into the evening hours today. And then tomorrow morning, looking like in general pleasant conditions. Just going to see some light northerly winds with our clouds anywhere from about partly cloudy skies to mostly clear skies across the region. Tides are running slightly above normal currently. And looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday partly cloudy, a very slight chance of pop-up shower, thunderstorm, warm, high 84. Wednesday night, mostly clear and light winds, very slight chance of patchy fog, a low of 68. And for Thursday, partly cloudy, warm and humid, high of 86 degrees. Green charts across the board for Wednesday and Thursday. So looking at our next 7 days, that slight chance, or I should say very slight chance of a pop-up shower on Wednesday afternoon. Most likely won't see it, and best activity looks to be across the Ocean City area for our Wednesday afternoon. Thursday looks like a bit more humid than Wednesday, but still continuing with those warm conditions. 86 degrees on both Thursday and Friday, up to 87 on Saturday. Looks like a good chance of some PM thunderstorms on Saturday, and we'll have a good amount of instability across the region, so can't rule out some stronger storms as well for Saturday afternoon. Sunday and Monday, we take a step back with those temperatures down to near 80 degrees, but continue with humid conditions, chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms for both Sunday and Monday. Sunday could be a better day than Monday as it appears now with that high pressure building in from New England, but got to keep a 40% chance for both days as models are not in agreement of how far that front moves to the region on Sunday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.